In this video, we're going to be doing Theorem 2.043. It has to do with the defects of triangles. It says that if a triangle is split into two smaller triangles, the defect of the larger triangle is equal to the sum of the defects of the two smaller triangles. And we'll do the proof of this one. I've been doing too many of these without the proof lately. So for the proof, we'll say given triangle ABC and D, which is a point, such that it's between D and, it's hard to say that while I'm writing other things. It's between A and B. So let's draw a fairly big triangle here. I think drawing a big triangle makes this easier to see what I'm writing. We'll put B there, A here, and we'll call this point C. And then we'll have a point D. So let me get a little bit closer to the center. It doesn't have to be in the center, but it does make it easier to draw the rest of this stuff. It can be anywhere that we want it to be. So for the first step, we'll say label the triangle as follows. So if this was a more in-depth proof, we'd actually be writing down that angle CBD will be equal to beta. This would be alpha. But I think you all are past the point where you need that spelled out for you. So it'll be delta sub 1. We'll let this be gamma sub 1. This will be delta sub 2. And this will be gamma sub 2. And then we'll make this whole thing right here just gamma. So that'll be gamma. Okay, then next, we know that the defect of triangle ADC, so let's do this on a different line. Defect of triangle ADC, which is our bottom smaller triangle, plus the defect of triangle DBC, is going to equal 180 minus the defect of this one, which would be minus alpha minus delta sub 1 minus gamma sub 1, plus 180 minus delta sub 2 minus beta minus gamma sub 2, which that is equal to 180 180 minus alpha minus, and then we can combine our not gammas, our deltas. delta sub 1 plus delta sub 2 minus the gammas, so minus gamma sub 1 plus gamma sub 2 plus 180 minus beta. So all we've done is reorganize that, and we'll reorganize it a little bit more. And that's equal to 180 minus alpha minus, we'll just call, actually, these two gammas, if you notice, this is 180 degrees. So minus 180 minus our big gamma plus 180 minus beta. Well, I have a minus 180 and a plus 180, so I can cancel those out. So that's then equal to 180 minus alpha minus gamma minus beta. But that's how we would get the defect of this bigger triangle, ABC, equals the defect of triangle ABC. So these two defects are equal.